How is it that a new currency, ushered in with hopes of revolutionizing a nation's economy, faces challenges of acceptance and scarcity just a month after its introduction? This is the conundrum that Zimbabwe and its new ZiG currency find themselves embroiled in. Our tale begins on the 5th of April 2024, when the Zimbabwean government introduced the ZiG currency. This bold move was more than just a change in monetary unit. It was a hope, a beacon of light aimed at turning around Zimbabwe's economic narrative. The ZiG was not just any currency, it was a structured currency, backed by gold, other minerals, and foreign currency reserves. As the calendar pages turned to April 30th, the new notes began their journey into the market, an assurance from the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe that was met with a mix of anticipation and skepticism. However, the new currency's entrance into the economic arena has been far from smooth, with acute change shortages and scarcity stubbornly clinging to its heels. Market observers, with their fingers on the pulse of the nation's economy, warned of the risks of a slow introduction. The strategy, they cautioned, could work against the very acceptance the new currency sought. The skepticism wasn't confined to market watchers alone. Well-established government agencies and state-owned enterprises joined the chorus, setting a pricing regime that effectively discouraged the use of the ZiG currency. However, in a turn of events, Finance Minister Mthuli Omhanyiswa, in a statement released on a Tuesday, ordered the acceptance of the ZiG. The edict was clear and direct. All ministries, departments, agencies, and even the private sector were to accept and recognize the ZiG as the official currency for all financial transactions. The Treasury boss was quick to remind everyone that the ZiG is a gold-backed currency, introduced as part of efforts to stabilize the economy, restore confidence in the financial system, and provide a conducive business environment. The government, he stated, has introduced a liberalized foreign exchange market, where the exchange rate is freely determined by the banking system based on demand and supply. In his closing remarks, Omhanyiswa called on the media to support the ongoing efforts on ZiG stability. In summary, the journey of the ZiG currency from its introduction to the present day has been one filled with hope, challenges, and a determined push for acceptance. Despite the initial hiccups, the Zimbabwean government remains steadfast in its belief in the ZiG, ordering its acceptance across all sectors, and working towards establishing a conducive business environment. Only time will tell if these efforts will bear fruit, and if the ZiG currency will indeed turn around Zimbabwe's economic narrative.